follow-up video on this Mercedes out of like the 4 videos I've done. Remember I told you they had a problem where this wouldn't move before? Well, after it's been running for about 15 minutes now, it's really stiff. There's a knocking noise coming. That's brand new Mercedes part. And there's a hardness to it where it's not even as it goes around. And in my over 40 years of spinning centrifugal fans and checking every vehicle I'm on, there's something wrong with that brand new OEM thermal fluid fan clutch. This is not right. So I know they don't want to do no work, more work on this car. It's already been apart again to put on another aftermarket condenser, maybe different fans from the other aftermarket then. Oh, I found I think it was Nemes or whatever that company is. So this condenser is available in parallel flow. Has a big reservoir on it and everything like that. It's $425. I see these condensers, they're between $92, I think $88 was the cheapest price, to around $130. That was the price range I was finding these condensers on. But for the parallel flow, they have a parallel flow one for $415 or $455. I'll post it in the Facebook group, show you the parallel version of this condenser for this vehicle.